Hello, my name is Ab McCall from Smart Innovation Products. I have 30 years in heating experience and I'm here to tell you all about the Heat Hero. It's the most efficient way to get your stove to heat radiators, and it's been proven to be at least 48% more efficient than other systems out there. When you light the stove, you get approximately 300 degrees of heat. The most important thing is to get that heat from your stove to your radiators as quickly as possible. Everybody knows that is done with a circulating pump. In my first simulation here, I have a typical situation with a stove. The pump is generally fitted on the return, which is the weakest position for a pump to be fitted. It is against pump manufacturer's advice to fit the pump on the return because you're pumping towards an open expansion. It also limits the strength of the pump you can use. I'll simulate this here now. When you have the pump on the return, you have to limit the strength of the pump so that it doesn't push the water up the expansion and into the tank. So you close it right down, and this is the pressure with this simulation that you'd have travelling through your stove, and your stove sitting at 300 degrees. With the Heat Hero, it is the very same simulation except for the pump is fitted in the strongest position on your heating system. I'll show you the difference. As you can see, there is a huge difference in the speed of the water travelling through your stove with your normal pump on the return and with the Heat Hero system. In diagram 3 here, I have the system set up. There's a stove, the Heat Hero manifolds, a cylinder and a pump. When the stat comes on at 50 to 55 degrees, the pump kicks in, which there's an injector in here that sucks the water from your stove and directs it directly around your radiators. It is brought back from your radiators into this return manifold, which is then injected back into the stove. There's water also ejected from the pump to your cylinder, which means when the pump comes on, your cylinder is turned into a radiator, which means that your cylinder will never get cold, and it doesn't matter how far it is away from your stove. This system is very easily retrofitted. The flow manifold goes anywhere on the gravity flow from your stove, and the return manifold goes anywhere on the return gravity from your stove also. Both systems are completely open and safe, and the system is 100% efficient.